Organize, display, and analyze a subset of data when you group or ungroup it in a pivot table. Let's group the data by date. Right-click a value and select Group. Enter starting at and ending at values if they haven't already been auto-filled. In the By box, select one or more time periods. For numerical fields, enter a number, like 1, to specify the interval between each group. Now select OK to apply it. Let's group selected items in a list. Hold Ctrl and choose 2 or more items in your list. Right-click and select Group. Want to name this new group? Select PivotTable Analyze, Field Settings. Enter a custom name and select OK. To ungroup data, right-click the item in the group and select Ungroup.